Hello lads. Welcome to my channel DanTech. In today's video we will learn how to install SPSS step by step. Let's start the video.
First, go to your system properties and check the version of Windows installed, whether it is 64 bits or 32 bits. Now open the downloaded folder and go to SPSS 17 folder and run the setup as shown. Press Next and follow the instructions. Do not write anything in the serial box and continue. Remove the check from the box that says Register with IBM. After installing, copy the crack files into the install directory as shown. Follow me. Congratulations, you have successfully installed SPSS.